Here I have to explain the apartment software. The first one is an admin panel. Here you have to see the dashboards here. How many maintenance amount is collected, open complaints, visitors today, and amenity bookings. All those details are you have to see in here. The next one is residents or owner. You have to first add the resident details. So I have to add Mona and the unit is B202. Here is the owner and the phone number. I have to enter the phone number and mail ID. How many phone members are there? How many vehicles are there? And the move-in date. You have to enter it. Occupied or vacant. Occupied means I have to click occupied and you have to enter the emergency contact number and save it. Here you have to search the name. Here you have to enter the Mona mobile number, 4 members, paid, occupied. If you need vacant means you have to click vacant and update the residence. Vacant, here you have to see the details. Here you have to occupied means here you have to update it. The next one is maintenance billing. Here you have to generate the monthly maintenance billing. All those members you have to enter and all the monthly payment bills are you have to see in here. The next one is visitor management. Here you have to click the log new visitors. So I have to enter visitor's name. Here I have to enter Kamala and enter the mobile number here and the visitor type is which visitor type and book the mobile number and the vehicle number I have to enter it and what is the purpose of the scene means I have to enter the purposes for birthday party. If you need to add photo means you have to add photo and logged by which security and add in check-in visitor. Here you have to see the details checked in. Once they checked out, you have to click the person will checked out. The next one is amenity booking. Here you have to click new booking and which one swimming pool and the resident number and the date and the time I have to click it. Here fee means fee, party means party, amount means amount, you have to click it. The next one is compliance and help desk. It is in process means you have to see in here. You have to see the actions here. And if you need a new complaint means here you have to enter the complaint details. I have to enter barking dogs. What is the category means? Enter noise. Priority is medium. If you need urgent means you have to click urgent and you have to raise the complaint. Here you have to see the complaint details. All those complaint details seen here. The next one is parking management. Here you have to assign the slot, which vehicle is parking in which places are all those details are you have to assign the slot here. Here you have to allocated means here you have to allocated, vacant unassigned means I have to click unassigned. Here it is in the vacant. The next one is staff. Here you have to click the staff details name. All those details you have to enter and the working days you have to click it on duty or off duty, on leave, all those details are you have to click it. Once you have to enter it here you have to see all those details. The next one is vendor management. Here you have to add the vendor name and all those details are you have to save it and save vendors. The next one is notice and announcement. Here you have to click the new notices and notice body, publish date, expire date, all those details are you have to enter it. For the barking dog means I have to click general means it is and I have to click general. All residents means owners only, notice body, publish date, and Marcus urgent means I have to click it for demo and you have to publish the notes. Here you have to see the urgent ones. If the maintenance means emergency means you have to see urgent means all those details are you have to see in here. The next one is reports. The next one is settings. Here you have to save your edit your profile changes. All those details are you have to settings here. The next one is security. Here you have to see the security dashboards. Here we have to see the log visitors, report incidents, emergency broadcast. The first one is visitor management. Here I have to enter the log visitors. Once you have to enter, you have to see in the admin panel also. The next one is residents or owner. You have to add the residence details or owner or tenant. All those details are you have to add it. The next one is parking management. This is for the security. The next one is resident portal. Here you have to see the my dashboards, all those details are you have to see in here. The next one is my maintenance. Here if the person was amount pay they want to pay the amount means here you have to pay the amount UPI card or net banking and pay means that is processing and the payment successfully here. Here, if you need to action see the bill means here also you have to see the details. The next one is my compliance. Here you have to, oh, if they want means they want to raise the compliance for what the purpose they are not taking the actions means here you have to raise the compliance. The next one is amenity booking. Here if I need means I have to book now and confirm booking. And you have to see the details. Confirmed means confirmed, cancel means I have to cancel the booking. The next one is visitor approval. Here I have to pre-approve the visitors. If they need means you have to need it or expected checkout. Revoke means you have to revoke it. If I revoke, I have to click the revoke means here you have to see the details. The next one is notices. Once they will enter the compliance means here you have to see all those notices. Here you have to see the generals and maintenance and events, emergency meetings, security, all those details are you have to see in here. The next one is my profile. Here if you need any changes means you have to change it also. The next one is vendor portal. Here you have to see all those details. The first one is my work order. If they in process come assigned means here click assigned and save it. Once you should enter the admin panel or the any other panel, they will shown here. And the my invoices here you have to submit your invoices details and what is the purpose. All those details are you have to enter it. If you need any changes means you have to enter the details here and save changes. That's all about it.